Hi, if you've got a problem with your KARCHER SC3 where it's calling for water, it's showing a red light fall on the water, yet you've got it full of water, could be because the float is stuck. So I'm just going to show you where the float is, and then you can double check that it hasn't got lime scale around and that it can move freely. If it can move freely, then you know the float is working. So as you fill up with water, there's a little float inside that will lift up, and that tells the machine that it's full of water. So I'm going to be using this here to show you where the float is and to move it. Make sure when you do this it is unplugged. Don't be shoving anything in here when you're plugged in. So we need to take out the decalcification cartridge, and you can rest that in your sink, or I'm just going to put it on the floor here. And if you have a look close in here, I'm just going to get a torch, a flashlight to show you. That little cylinder thing down there is the float. Now in this instance it's moving fine, but you might find that yours is all the way down there and yet it's full up with water. So you want to make sure that you can move that freely up and down, and that, look, see that, you can see it rotates nicely. So make sure that that is free. If you're doing this and it feels crunchy, it means that you've got a little bit of lime scale built up somewhere. So give that a good move around, and then hopefully as the water goes up, this will move up, and as the water goes down, this will move down, and then you know that at least this part is operating properly. So there we have it. Hopefully that might be a nice simple fix for your machine. Thanks for watching.